Brad Williams, Excel primed. We're going to use wrap columns. We're going to place a row into a new 5-row by 2-column list. Taking this row, use wrap columns. I'm going to convert this over into 2 columns. So we have 5 by 2. Here we have this 5 by 2. Our vector is our list. Our wrap count, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By 2. I'm going to count this across. I'm going to pick up the first 5. How does this work? It's based on our array. We set this array to be B5 to J5. WRAPCOLS is going to go from left to right. It's going to pick up the first 5 and position it in the first column. Then it's going to pick up the next 5. It's going to put it into the second column. Error or not, it's going to produce whatever rules you instructed it to do. We can use a pad here if we wanted to. Example, we won't. WRAPCOLS, here's the write-up, here's the anatomy. Play around with this, change up the data, increase this wrap, increase or decrease the wrap count to see how it works. Go do a 4 by 3 and see what happens. Change this wrap count to 4, see what the output looks like. Change it to 2, change it to 1. I mean, you're going to get 1 column. Read the write-up if necessary, read it if you need it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.